how much personal branding is important for the HR personnel, and not only just the HR people. I would say how much it is important for the C-level executives.
Perfect. Okay, let me share. Let me ask a few questions to you. Okay, when we talk about the natural technologies, what comes into your mind?
Salim Gori,
DevSync
Usman Asif,
and RBSoft.
Yasir Bashir,
Okay, and what about the Vaival technologies?
Hanjum Shazad.
Okay, perfect. So you got your answer.
Yeah.
Personal branding is very, very important.
Yeah.
So, you have already shared the name of these CEOs. They have worked on their personal branding.
Yeah.
When we discussed about anything related to tech, Salim Gori is always number one.
Yeah.
Usman Asif is always in the
Absolutely.
list, because they have shared their knowledge with the techie peoples,
Yeah.
not even with the techie peoples, other sectors as well. So they've already worked on their personal branding and generated a lot of content
Yeah.
on social media, and people are following them
Absolutely.
on different
Lots
platforms.
of people.
Lots of people are following them. So they are not on only on LinkedIn. I'm telling you that they are on TikTok as well. They are on Facebook. They are on
Covering
Instagram. Every single social media platform. And you know what? This is the main reason that why they are becoming more popular. I think that Yasir Bashir Sahab is not is very much active on social media.
Yeah.
I mean, due to some multiple reasons, I don't say anything about it. But other CEOs, they've already worked. And when we talk about these CEOs, the majority CEOs were introvert.
Yeah.
They were they were not.
That's problem with some of the CEOs.
They were not extroverts, but now they are becoming more popular. They have changed their style of working. They understand the dynamics of the working environment, so they have changed it. So yes, the personal branding is
Very
important for CEOs, for C-level, and for HR professionals. You can see many of HR professionals are there. Mashallah, they are HR influencers. They are adding a value in the personal life of other professionals as well.
So can we say that for every personnel in the organization or the tech industry, it is important?
Well, it is important, but sometimes the people think about it that I don't need it here. No problem. I'm very camera shy. These things.
Absolutely.
And I don't want to post my private stuff on social media. Why should I share my achievements with the people? That why should I tell them? I think it's an old thought. When you will. I'm not particularly talking about someone say that, oh my gosh, अल्लाह माफ़ी दे, अल्लाह रहम करे, नज़र लग जाती है, तो ठीक है, आई एग्री समहाउ, ठीक है, ये है, लेकिन आप दुरूद पाक पढ़ के कुछ ऐसी चीज़ पढ़ के, यू हैव टू पोस्ट इट. You don't need to actually just post your achievements. You can post anything related to the content, any content which is helping the other professional as well.